What is the best foldable drone with GPS return home and follow me mode? Here are my full reviews of the best foldable drone with GPS return home and follow me mode together with key feature. So before starting this video, for more details and price click product link description. Hubsan Zino Pro. One of the best looking drones on this list, the Hubsan Zino Pro is a big upgrade to the original Zino drone. It's a medium size that has a compact foldable design, which makes it great for traveling with, and it comes with many advanced features. The Zino Pro comes with a 4K camera that is supported by a 3-axis gimbal and has a Sony image sensor that can capture images in 12MP. Key features: the camera is compatible with ND filters that will give you more options for better drone photography and has an image chip from Ambarella that enhances the quality of the videos and photos. It has a good flight time of 23 minutes and comes with several smart flight modes. DJI Mini SE. The DJI Mini SE is DJI's cheapest GPS drone. It comes equipped with an HD camera that is stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. The camera can record amazing video footage in 2.7K and capture crystal clear images in 12MP. The drone has an optical flow sensor and an infrared sensor for better flight stabilization and comes with 30 minutes of flight time. Key features: its quick shot mode will allow anyone to capture short cinematic video footage at the push of a button. And the DJI Fly app will allow you to enhance these videos and share them with family and friends. Holystone HS700E. This is one of Holystone's most powerful drones. The HS700E comes with some impressive features. It has a nice solid structure that allows it to be flown in slightly windy conditions and comes with powerful brushless motors that provides the drone with good stability. Key features: the main feature is its HD camera that comes with electronic image stabilization that will reduce distortion in videos and images. The camera can record video footage in 4K and captures 8MP images, and can also stream HD live video footage to your smartphone. The drone comes with intelligent flight modes, 21 minutes of flight time and a range of 1 kilometer. Ruko F11 Pro. This is a well-built drone that has a robust structure and comes with many advanced features. Its bulky design and powerful brushless motors give it some good resistance to high winds and provides the drone with good stability during flight. Key features: the drone comes with a good HD camera that has a wide-angle view and can capture high-quality videos and photos. It comes with smart flight modes, automatic return to home and 30 minutes of flight time. Contixo F35. The Contixo F35 is a foldable drone that has a bulky body mainly because of its large battery. The drone has a long flight time of 30 minutes and comes with 2 batteries that will allow you to extend the flight time without having to wait for the battery to recharge. It comes with an HD camera that is stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal and can record video footage in 4K and capture 8MP still images. Key features: some advanced features include a low battery automatic return to home, intelligent flight modes and gesture control mode. The drone can transmit live HD video footage and has a transmission range of 1.5 kilometers,